This is a great question. I've been getting a lot of questions similar to this, so I'm here to answer it. One thing I would say is always be consistent and always be respectful. They go by the code. If you're respectful to them, they'll be respectful back. Also, another thing I would definitely emphasize is provide them limited information about you, especially if you live in the same county or city that you work in, because they will probably see you at Walmart if they are ever going to get out. The reason I say that is because I've had some really interesting experiences with people to the point I'm just like, also, I was going to say this, and I didn't know it happened in real life, which is why I'm saying it, until I went to orientation. Always be professional with them. And the reason I'm saying that is because when I was in orientation, like 1 in 4 of you will be in a compromising situation with an inmate. I'm thinking like, what? Some of my coworkers and CEOs have been caught in compromising situations with inmates. Be careful about where your boundaries are.